So my granny always tell me say I have many ways to skin one torso. Well, I don't know what saying go, but as you know, you have many ways to cut up a chicken. So today I'm here to show you a few of my ways. Alright, so I have here my whole chicken. I already had some cutting up. The first thing that I usually do is to remove my wings, right? So once you break the skin, the joint is exposed, you run your knife right through there. Easy, easy. Even if the knife is dull. I mean, if the knife is sharp, it makes it easier. But once you find that joint, cut right through, right? So the next thing for me is I want to get my chicken cut right down the middle. That's the inside. So I'm going to start on this side. So I usually put my chicken like this to stand, holding on to either the leg or the inner part of it right here. And you want to run your knife right down the middle. You're not removing the back of the chicken. Right? So once that is exposed, open it up. There's also another gristle that's right in between the breast. You want to get your knife right on that gristle. Again, you're going to feel a little resistance, but with a little push, easy breezy. Right down the middle. Next for me, separate the leg and the thigh from the breast, like that. Now to get the leg from the thigh. Then you want to find the joint. So usually the joint is in the middle. You can see right here, the joint is somewhere between here. You can either position your knife right here, or you can look for the fat line. So there's a fat line, as you can see, that's right here. That separates the leg from the thigh. So you want to position your knife right along the fat line. Right through the gristle. Chicken bottom. Now for the breast, there's also another gristle that separates the rib from the breast. So you want to position your knife rib with that piece of bone right here, breast. Same treatment. I'm going to save my thighs for last because you know you want to get that clean properly. There you have it. So easy. Want to remove all the excess fat from the thigh. Sometimes you have some little fat under the skin as well that sometimes cream off.